Umema, if you hear me, please put on your camera.
Yes.
Okay. Umema, can you tell me, are you available? Can we shift I'm wanting to shift the class timing, so that is why I'm asking you. Can we shift the timing to 7 p.m.? Right now for you it's 5 p.m. right?
No,
Yeah.
ma'am. 4 p.m.
It's 4 p.m. for you right now.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 5:30.
Then actually the time zone is different for everybody. Okay, so for you, can we shift the timing to 6:30 p.m. then?
Yes, ma'am.
6 p.m. 2 hours after. For Bidel, right now for you the time is 5 p.m. It's
Sorry,
5
ma'am.
in your area. What is
Yes,
the time
ma'am.
in your area right now? And Umema, for you the time is? What is the time right now?
4:08.
4 p.m. it is. Okay. And Hafsa?
It's 5.
It's 5 p.m. So Hafsa and Bidel has the same time zone. So Umema, for you, can we shift the class time to 6 p.m. for every day?
Yes, ma'am. But not for Saturday because I'm not free at Saturday at 6
You
o'clock.
have a class on Saturday, 9th class, maths class you have on Saturday?
Yeah.
No, I think science class.
No, I'm just talking about my class, not others.
No,
Yeah, I
don't
think we
have.
have Saturday.
We have maths. 1 second, children. Let me just check. I actually am not available for 6:30 p.m. So I was wanting to shift the class timing a little bit if we can. Ninth classes we have on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So I'm wanting to shift the class time. Bidel and Hafsa. Please confirm for 7 p.m. both of you for every day. And Umema will confirm for Umema the time zone is 1 hour late, previous, so 6 p.m. every day. Yeah. Please tell me, children, are you available or not?
Yeah, I'll be available.
Hafsa is available.
Yes, ma'am.
Umema also.
Yes,
Umema, you have problem on Saturday.
Yeah.
So Saturday at what time are you available? Can you tell me?
6:30.
6:30 you are available, not 6. Do you have any other class before 6?
Yes, ma'am. I have my Quran class on Saturday. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Quran class it is. So Umema has problem on Saturdays. Okay, we'll see to that. We'll ask others also.
So, ma'am, do
Yeah,
we have
Amar.
to join on like today also, like on 6:30?
No. Today the class time is fine. We'll have a class right now only. Okay, I'm
Good
just
evening,
asking
ma'am.
you for the later classes. Yeah, Amar.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Amar. Please put on your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Hafsa, you also, child. Please put on your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Amar, can you tell me what is the time for you right now? What's the time right now for you? Is it 6? Is it
No,
4?
ma'am. 4:10.
It's
4:10.
4:10 p.m. Okay,
Yes.
so Mema and Amar have the same time zones of KSA. So, Amar, can you tell me if you are available at 6 p.m. for everyday classes? If I shift the class to 6 p.m.
No, ma'am. Because I have some other work schedule. That's why.
Okay, so can you tell me what other time are you available on?
4 to 5, 5 to 6.
You're available from 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. You're not available after 6 p.m.
No.
Okay, no problem.
Because I have different classes also at
For
6 p.m.
Learnivio only?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it for Learnivio only, the other classes also?
No, ma'am. I have Arabic classes.
Okay, you have Arabic classes. Okay, fine.
Yes.
No problem. Okay, children, we'll ask Abdullah also and then we'll look at other classes. What all we have to do. Anyways, let's begin with the class now. So children, in the last class, I started with a new chapter.
Yeah, we do linear equations.
We started with linear equations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in linear equations, I told you writing an equation in the general format. So what was the general format for an equation? Can you tell me? For a linear equation in two variables, what is the general formula for writing it?
Ax plus by plus c equals 0.
Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Very good. Everybody knows this?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever we have a linear equation in two variables, we are going to write it in this format, right? Now, next what we have is we practice questions. How do we change it in this manner? Now, next we write is whenever only one variable is given to you. Now, the question is x is equals to -5 and you have to write this in a general format of a linear equation. Now, you would say, ma'am, there is only one variable, right? But a linear equation in two variables has, it is written in this format, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. That means it is written in two variable format. So children, what do we do over here is, it has how many terms? Now it has x and it has a constant term. What is missing in the equation?
Y. By.
Y is missing in the equation. So children, if y is missing in the equation, what we will do is, we will introduce y in the equation. And how do we introduce y? Now tell me one thing. If I multiply y with 0, is my answer 0 only?
Yes, ma'am.
And I can add or subtract 0 to anything and it shall give me the same result. That means in this equation, in this particular equation, if I'm adding or subtracting 0, so it is going to give me the same thing. It doesn't change the equation, right? So what I will do is, I will take this equation and I will introduce y to it. And how will I introduce y? I will write x plus 0y and -5 I'll take on the other side. It becomes +5 equals to 0. So now this is in the general format, right?
Yes.
And what are the coefficients of x, y, and what is the constant term? The coefficient of x, a is 1, b is 0, and c is +5. These are the values of a, b, and c. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next thing that we have is y is equals to 2. So now the question is, when y is equals to 2, how are you supposed to write? So children, look here. When y is equals to 2, we can write it in this manner. Now tell me what is missing.
X.
Others also answer, children. Bidil, Amar, and Hafsa. Be responsive. What is missing?
X.
X. Okay. So what I will do is, I will introduce x. And how do I introduce x? I will write
0
y.
x.
Now, plus 0x is equals to 2. Now, children, you see, I have introduced an x, but still it is jumbled. I do not have it in the proper format. First, my x term will come. So I will write 0x. Then my y term comes. Then my constant term will come. So you transpose 2 on the other side. It comes -2 is equals to 0. And you have this equation. 0x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Do you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay, now similarly, one question now you will tell me. I'll ask only those people will tell. Now 2x is equals to 3. Amar will tell us. Tell me, Amar. How do I write it in the general format for linear equation in two variables?
2x plus 2x plus bx plus 3 equals to 0.
No. Amar, you are just saying any answer. Do it stepwise, right? First of all, tell me what term is missing in this equation. We have three terms. We have x term, y term, and a constant term. Do you see an x term over here?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see a constant term also?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you see a y term? Do
No.
you see a y? No. So we have to introduce a y term. And how did I tell you? How are we supposed to introduce any term? How are we supposed to introduce any term? By multiplying with 0?
Yes.
Yeah. So we will
Yeah.
write 2x plus 0y. Now 3 is equals to 3. Now 3 should also be on the left hand side. So we are supposed to transpose it. So we have 2x plus 0y and minus 3 is equals to 0. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Amar, you know why did I ask only you? Because while I was teaching, you were not there in the class. Why did you went while I was teaching?
I went to take my book.
But it's important that you're sitting with all the stuff with you. Okay, and you do not go here and there while I'm teaching. This way you will
Okay.
miss important things. Now next is 2x is equals to y. Now Vidal will tell us. 2x is equals to y.
The constant term is missing, so 2x minus y, then plus 0
Yeah,
equal to
0. Very good. So this is my general format. And what is the value of a, b, and c over here?
a is equal to 2x,
A is 2, not
then
2x.
2,
It's just 2.
then okay,
B,
then b is 1,
no,
minus 1,
yeah. And
then
C?
c is 0.
And C is 0. Okay. Now, next that we have is, now we can come to the exercise. Now, the exercise says, the first question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent them. So, we are dealing with linear equation in two variables, and we have two things with us. We have a notebook and we have a pen, and the cost of both of them is given. So what I am supposed to do is I will consider cost of one thing to be x and cost of other thing to be y. So what do I have now? Let the cost of notebook be x rupees. So I'll write let cost of notebook be x rupees, and then cost of pen becomes how much? Y rupees. I'm just considering. Now, what is the statement given to us? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. That means let's suppose my pen costs 5 rupees. So my notebook is costing 10 rupees. If my pen costs 20 rupees, so my notebook will cost 40 rupees. Right? So cost of notebook is twice the cost of the pen. So you will write cost of notebook x is equals to 2y. Cost of notebook is x is equals to twice of the cost of pen. So I have x is equals to 2. And now how do I write it in the general format? Now this Hafsa will tell us. Hafsa, how do I write x is equals to 2y in general format?
So you write x plus 2y.
No, you are transposing 2y to the left hand side, so its sign will change.
So 2x. Sorry.
No, you were telling it correctly, only your sign for y was wrong.
Okay, so x minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0.
Very good. X minus 2y plus 0 is equals to 0, right? Okay. Now we have is express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So children, you will do this question on your own. You will first express it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, and then you will tell me the values of a, b, and c. And children, now do this question. And after this question, we'll be discussing the test paper, right?
Yes.
So quickly do it, then we'll discuss the test paper for polynomials.
Done, ma'am.
And others?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yeah, Abdullah, do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah is again with his smiling face today.
Ma'am, I was doing exam.
Abdullah, we are doing this question. But before that, please tell me. First of all, tell me your time zone. Is it UAE time zone or KSA time zone?
UAE, GST.
You have the UAE time zone. So can you tell me, can we shift the class timings at 7 p.m. for you every day?
Okay, ma'am.
You're fine with that, no problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do this question now, second one. Okay, now Umema, for Saturdays, can we do this thing? Can we, we can, the time can remain same for Saturday. And for the other 2 days, are you fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children?
Yeah.
Okay, so children, please listen, just 1 minute listen. For everyday class timing, that is Tuesdays and Thursdays, we have a class. We have a class on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, right? So Tuesdays and Thursdays, the time will change. Saturday, the time will remain same, right? Is everybody fine? Amar, I know you're not fine with that. We'll do something for that as well. But others, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm
ma'am.
fine with it.
Okay.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. I will change my timing of the Arabic class, okay? It's okay for me also. So to 7 also.
Change the class timing of Arabic. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
please listen. And Amar, you have the UAE time zone only, right?
No, ma'am. KSA.
You have the KSA time zone. So
Yeah.
according to KSA, it was 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. KSA time zone and 7 p.m. UAE time zone. Right? So children, please match
Yes.
your time zones and tell me. And Saturdays, the time will remain same, whatever it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, children, for your cooperation. Now we can move back to the question.
I'm done.
Everybody have completed second question?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay, so now look carefully. I'll ask one by one. So first, Mema, tell us.
For the first one, 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar, 35 bar equals 0.
Okay,
And
so the question,
the
it
value
becomes
of
2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is 0.
Yeah.
And value of A, B, and C is?
The value of A is 2 and B is 3 and C is negative 9.35 bar.
Yeah. Did everybody got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Check it quickly. Now, who will tell me what is the meaning of this bar on 5?
The 5 is repeating.
5 is repeated. And so what does it mean? What kind of decimal expansion does 9.35 bar has?
Terminating, non-recurring. No, terminating and recurring.
How come it's terminating when the number is repeating?
Non-terminating and recurring.
Non-terminating and recurring kind of decimal expansion, right, children? Okay, so next one, Bidil, tell us x minus y by 5 minus 10 is 0.
It's in correct format. So A is equal to 1, B is
Okay.
equal to negative 1 by 5, and C is equal to negative 10.
Negative 10, okay. Fine. Now next is third question. Amma, tell me. Amma, tell me the solution for third one. Amma, we can't hear you.
No, okay.
Yeah, fine.
Hello, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, Amma.
Minus 2x
Okay.
plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0.
Okay, and what is the value of A, B, and C?
A is minus 2x
Okay.
and B.
No, Amma, how come it's minus 2x? A means the coefficient of x. That means the number attached with x. So it's just minus 2.
It's a minus 2. B is 3
Plus 3, yeah, and C is?
minus 6.
Minus 6. Very good. Now, Hafsa will tell me the fourth one.
The fourth one, it's 2x plus 5y minus 0, which is equal to 0.
No, wait, Hafsa. The fourth one is x is equals to 3y. This one.
X plus 3y minus 0, which is equal to 0.
Okay.
And
Now, Hafsa, look carefully. Wait, 1 second. The numbers are correct, but your signs are wrong. Look here. How do we do the sign convention? Whenever we are changing the sides of any number, we even reverse the sign. Okay, like we have to shift 3y from one side and put it on the other side, right? So what we will do is, what is the sign on 3y? Is it a plus sign or a minus sign? On 3y.
minus.
So where do you see minus, child? Where do you see minus?
Is the sign on 3y?
First, please speak a little loudly. And now
Isn't there
everyone.
no sign on 3y?
Yeah, so when there is no sign, what does it mean? It means a positive number. See, whenever I have to write 5, so I will just write 5. I'll not say plus 5. But when I have to write negative numbers, I write their sign. For positive numbers, we do not always write the sign. So 3y is a positive term, you see. So when you will be changing the place of 3y, you picked up 3y and you said 3y, now you move to the other side, you go to x. So 3y will say to you, okay, fine, I'll go to the other place. But in compensation, you have to change my sign. Okay. So 3y will say, so what you will do? You will change its position and in return, 3y will change its sign. So you remove this. And now what sign does 3y has? Tell me.
Negative.
Negative. Very good. And 0. See now, whenever you are introducing a new term, I know minus 0 is also correct, but it can sometimes give you wrong answers also. So remember one thing, whenever you are introducing 0, you will write plus 0 and not minus 0. Okay. And now tell me
Yeah.
ABC.
A is 1, B
Okay.
is 3, and C is 0.
No, B is 3 or minus 3?
Minus 3, and
Minus,
C is
right.
0.
Next, Abdullah, tell me the fifth one.
Fifth one is 2x plus 5y plus.
Yeah.
So the A is 2, B is 5, and C is 0.
Okay, good. Next, again, Umema, tell me for sixth one.
3x plus 0y plus 2
Very
equals
good.
0.
3x plus 0y plus 2 is 0. So what is A, B, and C?
A is 3 and B is 0 and C is positive.
And C is 2. Next, Vidal, tell us for the eighth one, seventh one.
7 to 0x plus y and negative
Yeah.
2.
So what is A, B, and C?
A is 0, then
Yeah.
B is 1, then C is negative.
Very good. Now, Amar, tell us the eighth one.
Yes, ma'am. 2x
Yeah.
plus 0 into 5.
Plus 0. Just 0 or 0y?
0y.
Yeah.
Then plus minus 5.
Plus 5 or minus 5? Think and tell me.
Minus 5. Minus
Minus
5.
5 is
Equals to 0.
equal to 0. Good. See now, children, some of you might get this answer, but some of you, I don't know if anybody got it or not, but we can also write this in this manner. Minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 is 0. And both the answers are correct now. And now how are both the answers correct? See, what we can do over here is, children, look carefully. I have this equation with me, 5 is equals to 2x. I can either carry 2x to the other side or I can take 5 to the other side, right? I can do any of the one thing. So if I am carrying 2x to this side, when I transpose 2x on the other side, now 2x will say, okay, my sign will change. So you will put a negative sign on 2x and 5 sign will remain same. Plus 5 and in between you will write plus 0y. And this can be your answer. But there can also be a case where you are transposing plus 5. Okay, so when you are transposing plus 5 and 2x remains at its place only. So now 5 sign will change. So what will happen? Your equation becomes 2x and then plus 0y and then minus 5 is 0. So whatever answer you are getting from these, both are correct. And you understand why both are correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah, where are you busy?
Ma'am.
What is more important than the class?
Ma'am, I'm looking.
Okay, now children, we come to solutions of a linear equation. Now, what do you first of all mean by a solution? Does anybody know the solution? Do you remember we
The
studied
left hand.
polynomials and we studied zeros of a polynomial over there.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
solution means a similar thing only. That whenever you are putting the such value of the variable in the equation and you are getting 0 as your answer, that means the solution. Now, solution does not always mean that you're just getting a 0. For polynomials, polynomials are expressions. Polynomials were not equations. So we were getting 0 as our answer. But for linear equations, you have a left hand side and you have a right hand side. It is an equation. I told you the difference between expression and equation. Do you remember, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So Abdullah will explain us now. Abdullah, explain us the difference between expression and an equation.
Ma'am, equation has an equal sign, whereas expression does not have an equal sign.
Yeah, an expression does not have an equal to sign. And equation also has two sides. What are they called as? LHS and RHS. Right? Now, children, what happens in a solution of a linear equation? The LHS and RHS must be equal. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we'll come to this. It is given in the question, find four different solutions of the equation x plus 2y plus 6. We'll open a new page. 1 minute. Just 1 second, children. Okay, I have the question now. The question reads, find four solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equals to 6. This is the question. Now, what we have to do is, see, none of the solution over here is given to us. Okay, now one more thing that you need to remember is, they have given us four solutions. What if they give us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Now, does the equation have these many solutions? How many solutions can a linear equation in two variables has? So your answer will be a linear equation in two variables can have infinite number of solutions. You can find any number of solutions for it, right? Remember this thing. A linear equation in two variables has infinite number of solutions. So yeah. So what you will do for this question is, you consider, you have two variables over here. So you will consider any one of the variable to be 0 first of all. So we find first solution. Let x be 0. Okay. So when x is equals to 0, now put the value of x as 0 in the equation. So you get 0 plus 2y is equals to 6. So 2y is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3. Right? So what is your first solution? Your first solution is 0, 3. What does 0, 3 mean? You must also know how to read it. 0, 3 means the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 3. This is the meaning of 0, 3. Okay. Next
Okay.
is, you can take now any number. So we will take let x be 1. Okay. So what do I get? 1 plus 2y is equals to 6. So 2y is equals to 6. Okay, now Hafsa, tell me, when I take this 1 to the other sign, what will be its sign now?
Negative.
Very good. It becomes negative 1. And now 2y is equals to 6 minus 5 is 1 is 5. So y is equals to 5 by 2. Okay, now children, we do not change the sign of 2 on the other side. Right? Why? Because see, actually changing the sign, I was saying it wrong actually. It's not changing the sign, it's changing the operation. Okay, when the operation was adding, so on the other side we have to subtract. When the operation is to multiply, on the other side we have to divide. So here the operation was multiplication. So on the other side I am dividing. Right, so my y value becomes 2.5. And now my second solution is 1, 2.5. Right. Now the third one, I can take x as 2. And what will be my y value? 2 plus 2y is 6. Now 2y is equals to 6 minus 2. And 2y is equals to plus 4. Thus y is equals to 4 by 2. That gives you 2 only. Thus your solution become 2, 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are your solutions now? Your solutions are 0, 3, 1, 2.5, and 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody will copy the solution quickly.
Ma'am, we have to find the 4 solutions, right?
Oh, it was 4. We found 3. Copy it first, then I'll come to the 4th one also, because then I'll change the screen.
Finish, ma'am.
Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Last minute.
Abdullah, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Your work, Abdullah. Abdullah, show me your work. You didn't do it right.
I'm done.
And now come to the 4th solution. So now how do you find the 4th solution is, you will consider another value of x. So we will take x is equals to 3. Okay, now it's not important that you are taking x in order only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you can take any value. But try to take a value that is like, see, all the numbers of this equation are very small numbers. They are not very huge numbers. You just have 1, 2, and 6 as the numbers. So they're very small. So try to take smaller numbers. Okay. When you have bigger numbers in the equation, then you will take bigger. You can take any number, but take it with reference to the equation. So this you can at least see the equation and then x is 3. So 3 plus 2y is 6. So 2y is 6 minus 3 and y is 1.5. See how 1.5? 3 by 2 then 1. Right? So what is your value? Your value, the solutions are 1, 3, 1.5.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you told that we are going to discuss the test paper of polynomials.
Yeah, I told you, but actually then I thought that let's complete this exercise only. In the last 10 minutes, I'll have a discussion, not of the solutions. Solutions we'll do in the after class, but regarding whose performance was, how was it? First, let's discuss this.
I'm done.
Copy, children.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question. Find two solutions of first is 4x plus 3y equals to 12. And second is 2x plus 5y equals to 6. So now, children, I'll teach you the first one, then you'll do the second one on your own. Please look very careful. So 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. So what we will do is, now you can select any variable. Previously we selected x, now let's try to do this by selecting y. So first of all, I'll consider let y equals to 0. So when y is equals to 0, my equation becomes 4x plus 0 is equals to 12. Thus 4x is equals to 12. and x is equals to 3. So 4 square divided by 4 is 3. So first of your solution is 0, 3. And second is let y is equals to 1. So equation becomes 4x plus 3 is equals to 12. 4x is equals to 9 and x is equals to 9 by 4. Okay. So it becomes 1 comma 9 by 4.
Ma'am, it will become like 3 comma 0 for the first equation because y is 0.
Oh yeah. Actually, I was doing the first question only, so I remembered that thing. 3 comma 0 and 9 by 4 comma 1. Now children, look here for a second. I'll give you time to copy, but look here. Now I was telling you what was the meaning of solution. Okay, so let's try to now decode it with this example only. So see now 3 comma 0 is a solution of this particular equation. So that means when I put the value of x as 3 and y as 0, I should get 12, right? So 4 into 3 plus 3 into 0 is equals to 12. This will be my equation. 4 into 3 is 12. 3 into 0 is 0. Should give me 12 and 12 is equals to 12. So you get LHS equal to R, right? So this is actually the meaning of the solution. Let's try to do it for this one also. So when you put the value 4 into 9 by 4 plus 3 into 1 should give you 12. You cancel 4 and 4. 9 plus 3 into 1 is 3 should give you 12. And 9 plus 3 is 12 with right? So this is the actual meaning of a solution of any linear equation, that whenever you are putting the values of x and y, you get LHS equals to R. Right, children? You don't have to copy the red part. That is just an explanation. Please copy the blue part quickly and tell me.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, done. Next, children,
Yes,
try this second question on your own quickly. Quickly try it, then we'll have a discussion.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, children completed. Did anybody complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I completed.
Shall we discuss then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so look here. It's 2x plus 5y is 0. Who will tell me? Did anybody found the solution?
Ma'am.
Anybody got the solution? Can anybody explain?
So I took let x equals 1. So
You took
2
x
into,
as 1.
then 2 into 1 plus 5y equals 0. Then 2 into 1 is 2 plus 5y equals 0. 5y equals 0 minus 2. Then y
That,
equals minus 2 by 5.
yeah, so first of the solution
So
is 1 comma minus 2 by 5. And second solution, who will tell me now? Anyone?
And I
Yeah, Vivek.
x is equal to 2
2, okay.
and 2 into 2 plus 5y is equal to 0.
Okay.
So 4 plus 5y is equal to 0. And 5y is equal to 0 minus 4.
That gives you minus 4. And y is
Y
equal
is
to
equal to minus 4 by 5.
minus
Minus
4.
4 by 5.
So your answer is 2 comma minus 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So now children, regarding the test, please look here. Does anybody has any doubts first of all? Tell me.
Ma'am, on doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for x equals to 2, can we write y equals to 5 minus 4?
No, you cannot. How can you write 5 minus 4? You'll first take 4 to the other side. So you get minus 4. Now you have to carry 5 on the other side. So 5 is being multiplied with y. So on the other side, it will be divided by 4.
Oh, okay.
If one side any number is being multiplied, so on the other side the number is divided. If on one side the number is being added, you subtract it on the other side. I told you, there is some compensation that you have to pay for changing the position of the number. Okay, now children, regarding the test, first of all, Abdullah and Amar did not attempt the test. Why, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You did not say to
And
attend
Amar,
the test.
why did you both attend the test?
We didn't got any messages about the test.
You didn't got a notification? Okay, I'll ask the
Yes,
team
ma'am.
for that. And Abdullah, you?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah, why did you not attend the test?
Ma'am, I attend.
You?
Ma'am, I was outside.
You didn't reach home till now. That's a very bad reason, Abdullah. Being outside is not a good reason at all. You have to attempt the test, okay? You can attempt it anytime. Abdullah, make sure you are attempting, right? And now, Umaima, I checked your test. Child, why have you done all the questions?
Actually, I told the team that I did not read the question before. Like
You did
the
not read the
instructions.
instructions, right?
Yeah.
But at least you should have read, okay, how many marks the test consists of. So your test was good, but I was disappointed that you did not read the instructions. So I've deducted a mark for that. Bidel and Hafsa now. Children, I found a lot of calculation errors for you children. So children, it's important that you're practicing the questions many times, right? Even like after the class, make sure that you're practicing the questions that I teach you. And even now, I've started posting assignments from the other, I'm not posting from the NCRT itself. I'm posting from other textbooks so that you have a practice of other questions also. So open up the assignments. I see Bidel, Hafsa, and children, you're not submitting assignments only.
Ma'am, I
Right?
have submitted right now, like before the
Didn't
class.
submit class. 2 weeks because this is like the past 2 weeks. That's why.
Yeah, children, see now whatever question, now why am I focusing on assignments is that whatever questions I'm giving in the test, they are related to the questions taught in the class, the same concepts and the concepts that I'm covering in assignments. So assignments I'm focusing so that any doubts that you have, we can have a discussion in the class. You can ask me if I'm not able to understand any question of the assignment, right? And also from the next class onwards, we'll do this thing. We'll start having a discussion about the assignments also. Before we start the class, 10 minutes, there will be an assignment discussion, then we'll start with the class. So that you don't, you all can work on your calculation, right? And Hafsa, one more thing was that your test paper was very unneat and you have not uploaded the entire test sheet also. So children, whenever you are uploading your test sheets, make sure your test paper is very neat and cleanly, like properly written, leave spaces and write, and then you submit it, right? Make a rough column for all the calculations also. Okay, Amar, you can also, I'll ask the team to inform you regarding the test. Amar and
Okay,
Abdullah,
ma'am.
make sure you are submitting your test, right? So that we can have a discussion on the test paper. In the next class, we'll be discussing the sections.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children? So at least have a look, Abdullah and Ammar, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So, children, for today, we'll just keep it up till here only. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
No, no.
Bye, ma'am.
Everything was clear? Taught in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
1 second, Ammar. Do not leave the class, okay? 1 more minute is... See, children, in the next class, we'll be completing with this lesson. Right. And now after this lesson, we once completed this lesson, I want to have a discussion of the previous lessons that we've done. We'll be discussing them from the NCERT exemplar. Okay. So
Okay.
after we've completed this lesson, so you make sure that you're practicing a little bit. You are seeing while we are doing these lessons, you are seeing of the previous lessons from the exemplar book as well. If you have, well and good. Otherwise, you can refer to the PDF from the internet. Just at least have a look. Then we'll have a discussion in the classes. Right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm informing you all beforehand only so that at least you all at least know some of the questions. You have looked at the questions. Okay, what kind of questions are we going to discuss? Okay, so you can go for now.
Okay.
That's it for today. We'll continue it in the next.
One question.
Yeah, Amma.
After this fourth chapter, you will be explaining second, third chapter, right?
No, I just told you the chapters we have done before. We'll be discussing the extra questions of those chapters.
But I need to know, right, about second, third chapter.
Second chapter, you want to have a discussion.